I think they do. And I think the reason is that politicians, they're so much above the average person in the street. They don't really talk to them like man to man or woman to woman, you know. And I don't think they really discuss the issues that really concern people. Yeah. I vote, yes, every election, yes. I think more person-to-person contact, I think, before the election. When you look at the amount of effort that went into the recent vote in Scotland, I mean, it was on television every day. There was a build-up going towards the vote, the day of the voting, and I think people have just become apathetic. They've got fed up with politicians, you know, because it seems as if politicians are only looking after their own interests, and they will only do policies which appeal to their own particular party rather than what is necessary for you. Is that okay? What does Wales need? I think Wales needs a bit more control from the British Parliament to the Welsh Assembly, so that they can address the issues more directly with what's needed in the area rather than what's needed nationally, you know.